Hello friends and greetings from Malta. We have arrived in the most densely populated country in Europe, tiny island called Malta, and here I will stay for a few days, enjoying the sunshine and doing some drone flights and exploring the islands. It's a big contrast to Iceland. First of all, because of climate, Malta is much warmer, of course. It's plus 16, 23 degrees every day here. Although in Iceland it's plus 1, 0, plus 6 at best. So I have already enjoyed swimming in the sea, in the Mediterranean Sea. Though it has been a bit cloudy during the past days here. This bay is called St. Thomas Bay, and the city behind is Marsaskala. That's where I stayed the first 2 nights. Tomorrow we are leaving from here. Malta is very densely populated. Comparing to Iceland is a big difference. Iceland is the least populated country in Europe, while Malta is the most populated country in Europe. But it has some beautiful spots along the coastline, as you see, and I'm truly enjoying it here, though it's very hard to drive. Traffic is complicated and chaotic here with left side driving. Not used to that, but I will post more updates about my stay in Malta. So far it's only the second day and I haven't seen much the island, but this is my first drone flight as well. At any case, be well, peace and blessings from Malta now. God bless you.